10 वर्सां 2014 जालें कितें? काँग्रेस पक्षान ह्या देशाक कितें दिलें? काँग्रेस पक्ष इज फायटिंग अगेन्स्ट द मर्डर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, फायटिंग अगेन्स्ट दिस डिफेक्शन. जे पळय आमदाराक चोरून व्हरतात, पैशांची आशा दाखयता, प्रेशर हाडटा, ईडी लायता, जे ताजे बाकीची यंत्रणा ती लायता. वी आर फायटिंग अगेन्स्ट दॅट.
They are promoting Viksit Bharat, गावान गावान वचून promoting vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which means nothing more than promoting your political party, promoting your political ideology, promoting your leader. And this kind of misuse of government machinery for this kind of programs for political benefit, once the code of conduct comes, cannot be done. केन्ना हे विकसित भारताचे प्रोग्राम चालू आहात ते बीजेपीचे सेश घालून स्कार्फ घालून वयतात तिना. एनी गव्हर्नमेंट प्रोजेक्ट फंक्शन आहात तेन्ना नोबडी पुट्स पॉलिटिकल पार्टी. अ गव्हर्नमेंट फंक्शन इज न्यूट्रल because the government has to be neutral of any politics. Have you, with great respect, ever asked them how they have looted the nation with electoral bonds in just this short span of time which Congress never did?
So BJP has not disclosed their electoral bond list.
I will bring you a video. I'm just compiling it. I will bring you a video of the rise of the BJP through electoral bonds, the fraud played by the BJP through electoral bonds, the extortion done by the BJP through electoral bonds, and the loot of the nation. While you promised to bring Swiss bank accounts, make public disclosures, you were running for cover, hiding who has given you the money through electoral bonds. You used State Bank of India to try to delay, to protect these people, to protect yourselves from disclosure. And still, 2018, 2016 to 2018, disclose alna. 2019 has not disclosed alna. So there are records which I will take out. I will put it on the video. I will not speak on my opinion. You understanding? I will give hard facts to show you how people's arms were twisted, how raids were conducted, they contributed, how people were detained, they contributed. I will also show you how the net profits of some companies, when they didn't have that kind of profits, they have given, I think, more than 364% they have given as contribution for the electoral bonds. Don't you think this is a question you must ask them first?